Understanding firewall rule execution order and zone context is essential to prevent hidden security vulnerabilities. Modern firewalls segment network traffic into distinct security zones, enforcing logical isolation between untrusted public networks and core enterprise assets. When legitimate web traffic originates from the untrusted internet, it must traverse the firewall to reach public services in the DMZ. Firewall inspection engines evaluate rules top to bottom in a strict linear sequence, executing the dynamic action of the very first rule that matches. An incoming HTTPS packet matches Rule 10 immediately. Processing stops, and access is instantly granted without reading subsequent entries. Rule shadowing is a critical security vulnerability where an overly broad rule placed higher in the table renders a more specific lower rule completely unreachable. Here, Rule 10 blocks all traffic from untrust to DMZ. Rule 20 intended to allow HTTPS, but it will never evaluate, creating a silent service outage. Another common misconfiguration is a zone mismatch. Administrators write rules targeting the wrong interface or source zone, leading to unintended packet drops. Because the incoming packet's physical interface does not match the rule zone criteria, the policy engine skips the rule entirely, falling through to the implicit drop. To maintain an optimal posture, structure rules from most specific to least specific, strictly bind interface zones, and run automated shadow analysis regularly.